Hey guys, welcome back to All About Things with Miss Alyssa. I hope you had a great week since I last saw you. Today, we are going to be making cornstarch quicksand, so prepare yourself to get messy. Before we get started, don't forget to download the worksheet that goes along with this video. So, what is cornstarch quicksand, you ask? Well, with just a few ingredients, you will make a substance that acts both like a liquid and a solid. But first, do you know the difference between a liquid and a solid? A liquid is an object that can flow and take on the shape of any container. A liquid has no set shape. Some examples of liquids are water, milk, and gasoline. A solid is the opposite of a liquid. Solids are objects that keep their own shape and do not change and cannot flow like liquids can. Some examples of solids are rocks, a kitchen table, and a glass cup. Now that we understand what liquids and solids are, let's begin our experiment. So I'm guessing the first question you have is, how can this cornstarch quicksand be a solid and a liquid if they are opposites? Well, it depends on the force of your hand in the mixture. If you try to pour the mixture slowly and relax, it will act like a liquid. But if you force your hand inside the mixture, it will act like a solid, because the pressure in the starch pieces cling together more with force, making the mixture feel hard. All right, I know you're dying to get messy and start the experiment. Make sure you ask an adult to help you with the experiment, because it is best to stay safe. What we will need for this experiment is 1 box of cornstarch, water, a large bowl, and if you want to add some color, you can always add food coloring. Begin the mixture by adding a 1/2 cup of cornstarch to 1 cup water. Continue adding cornstarch until you reach a total of 2 cups. Play with the mixture until you reach a consistency that you want. You should aim for a texture that is runny when relaxed, but still firm enough to clench up when you hit it. Can you feel the differences of the liquid and solid state this cornstarch mixture has? Want to take it a step further? Throw in a small plastic toy and watch it sink in, just like quicksand. All right, well, have fun playing with your cornstarch quicksand. That is all I have for you today. See you next time on All About Things with Miss Alyssa.